Okay, so wood tool swap. I made a full video, but I'm going to do the highlights. So 4 of these for free because they don't lock in position here, but I figure I can kind of clamp them to keep them from sliding. Um, Folding pocket flush cut saw, $5. Bessie block holding clamp things for furniture assembly, $5. This was a crazy deal. This is awesome. Angle ruler. I really wanted one of these really long angling ruler, fine protractor ruler. 50 cents. I have this. I love it. This is brand new. $1. Couldn't say no. Free stuff from the Festool guys. Dude, love the Festool. Got some pins I can put on my kids. Arts and crafts hardware. This was a super deal. Like 11 is what the guy paid for them. He sold them to me for $1. I got 6 of them. Here it is. Here's the loose one. Actually, a really pretty handle. So excited about that. This is from Incra. This was free. It was in a bin. Great for, I have something similar from Woodcraft, smaller. This is great for laying stuff out. If you're doing a table top and you're putting the legs on there and you're trying to get it centered, this goes on the top. That tells you where the legs need to be. Super deal for $0. This was also free. Glue stand if I go into heavy production with the clamps. Yes. Stone holder, $8. Free casters, heavy duty. I talked to the Rockler guys. I grabbed a coupon, 20% off for the next few days. And then for chatting with them, they gave me an easy squeeze 4-ounce glue bottle. Nice and squishy. This was from the Woodcraft guys. They had a bunch of extra old tools they wanted to pass on to customers. And so I got a ratcheting brace. You adjust this and it ratchets one way or the other. So for installers back in the day, I think that was probably really useful. I think this might be Incra extruded aluminum. I bought a bag from the same people of hold downs or grippers, clampy fingers. Back here, a couple of Festool blades for the Capex, $20 a blade. That's about $300 worth of blades new. 2 bags from really lovely people of Starrett stuff, metalworking things. I've got a ruler I'm using for my homework right now. And so there's a micrometer in here and 3 depth micrometers. Here's a regular micrometer and a bunch of cool little rulers. $20 and $25. I don't think I even paid that for them because they were so nice to work with me on the price. And then big shout out, big finish here. Grant Schlinder. I don't know. Terrible with Schlinder. Oh, it could be German. But anyways, Grant bought this concept from Tom Shrunk, who came up with the idea of putting finishes into bags to kick out the oxygen and keep them from going bad. So these are intended for latex paints, which really flow slowly. So this actually has an extra vent here to allow the paint to get in there quickly, a latex paint. And so he gave me this and this so I can make videos about it, which I'm doing right now, sharing his info. You definitely should check this out because it's going to save you a lot of money and keep you from throwing away good finishes.